In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView's multiple chart layouts and explore some of the pro features all within just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by going to TradingView's website at tradingview.com. If you already have an account, log in so you can make the most of the features we're about to explore. If not, you can simply sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, you'll want to navigate to the chart you're interested in. TradingView offers a wide range of charts, but for this demonstration, we'll be focusing on how you can enhance your view using multiple layouts. Once you're on your chosen chart, look for the plus sign. This is key. It allows you to add additional charts to the current layout. Click on this plus sign and it will open up options for you to add more charts to your view. This is especially useful if you're tracking multiple stocks or currencies. After clicking on the plus sign, find and click on the All option. This selection ensures that you have access to every possibility for your multi-chart layout. Next, you'll want to click on Add Symbol. This is where the magic happens, because it allows you to add different stock symbols or currency pairs that you want to track simultaneously. This means you can compare them side by side, which is a powerful way to analyze correlations or divergences in the market. As you set up your view, take a look at the upper right corner where you'll see a square icon. Clicking this gives you the flexibility to arrange your charts into various formats that work best for your screen or analytical style. Once you have your preferred layout in place, feel free to click on any column to customize further. Customization is key. This is where you fine-tune the columns to display exactly the information you need, whether it's price, volume, or technical indicators. Moving on, you can also change settings directly from these columns. TradingView's flexibility allows you to toggle between different views and settings with ease. This can include things like chart type, style, and even the finer details like grid lines or color themes. Additionally, you have the option to add different dates and times in these columns. This feature is invaluable if you are analyzing time-sensitive data across different time frames. You can easily compare a daily chart with a weekly or monthly one. Finally, this setup also enables you to track your trades effectively. By having two charts laid out side by side, you can monitor and manage two trades simultaneously, making it easier to execute strategies or make adjustments on the fly. That's it for using TradingView's multiple chart layouts and pro features. With these tips, you should be well on your way to making more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading!